This project was really cool because we got to not only organize multiple spaces throughout their home, but we also got to totally redesign the way that their closet systems functioned and also help them choose new decor. So it was kind of the whole package. Basically, they have two little girls, and they had one kind of set up in a nursery, and the older sister had her own room, but they wanted to share a bedroom, the two girls, and make it more so that one room was just for sleeping, and the other room was for like arts and crafts and had all of their toys. So we reconfigured. They had already an existing Elfa closet system from the Container Store. And the thing I love about those systems is how easy it is to just get new parts or move things around if, as your kids grow or your needs change. So we kept most of what they had and then added a few extra pieces so that the bedroom closet where the girls would be sleeping and keeping all of their clothes could contain clothes for each of the sisters. And then we also reconfigured the closet in the soon-to-be playroom so that it was more in line with storing things like toys and American Girl dolls and all of that kind of stuff. We also helped them choose new bed frames and storage furniture. We made sure to use as much of what they already had as possible and just move things around and added some fun decor elements so that the girls could feel like they had a wonderful new space, both for sleeping and for play. We got a lot of the pieces were from IKEA to go with their existing IKEA furniture. And then we added some decor elements from Target, like the matching sheet sets and the rugs. They also had really beautiful quilts that were a part of their family heritage. So we kept those hanging on the walls and otherwise just really streamlined the amount of visual clutter that was out and gave everything a home.